Wikipedia. SOM missile. Turkish air-launched cruise missile. The SOM is a next-generation autonomous stealth high-precision air-launched cruise missile developed by TÜBİTAK Sage Defense Research and Development Institute of Turkey. It was first revealed during the 100th anniversary celebrations of the Turkish Air Force at the Kigli Air Base in Izmir on 4 June 2011. Developed since 2006, the SOM is Turkey's first domestic guided missile for striking both stationary and moving targets at a standoff distance of over 180 kilometers. Although being developed by the TÜBİTAK Sage, which still holds authority over the design of the missile, Roketsan has been given the role of manufacturing and marketing the missile for export. Quick facts page. Type: air-launched cruise missile, anti-ship missile. Place of origin: Turkey. In service, service history since 2017. Used by Turkish Air Force. Production history: designer Roketsan. TÜBİTAK Sage, designed 2006 through 2017. Manufacturer: Roketsan. SOM-J is manufactured by TÜBİTAK Sage and Roketsan in Turkey. Specifications: mass SOM-A model 620 kilograms, that's 1,367 pounds. Model B1, SOM-B1, weight class 620 kilograms, 1,367 pounds. Mass of Model B2, SOM-B2, 660 kilograms, 1,455 pounds. SOM-J, the J model, 500 kilograms, 1,102 pounds. Length, 3,657 millimeters, that's 12 foot. Wingspan, 2.6 meters, that's 8.53 feet. Warhead, 230 kilograms, 507 pounds. Warhead, SOM-A model, high explosive blast fragmentation warhead. Warhead, Model B1, high explosive blast fragmentation warhead. Model B2, dual stage tandem penetrating warhead. Model J, semi-armor piercing warhead. Engine, KL, KTJ-3200, 2.5 to 3.3 km. Operational range. The Model A, B1, and B2, less than 250 kilometers, 130 nautical miles. Model J, 275 kilometers, 148 nautical miles. Flight altitude. Terrain hugging, sea skimming. Maximum speed 623 knots, or 0.94 of a Mach. Guidance system: INS, GPS, terrain, referenced navigation, image-based navigation, automatic target recognition, imaging infrared seeker. Accuracy 5 meters, 16 feet. Circular error of probability, CEP. Launch platform: F-16 Fighting Falcon, F-4 Phantom II, the TAI TF-X, the TAI Hurjet, Hurjet, the Bayraktar, the Akinki, the Bayraktar MIUS. Finished with the quick sheet. On to description. The SOM standoff cruise missile is a family of launch and leave precision strike weapons against both land or sea targets. It uses GPS as its primary mode of guidance, complemented by an advanced inertial navigation system and a radar-based terrain referenced navigation system, allowing the missile to skim the terrain during its flight in order to evade local defense systems. According to the developer, it features advanced geometry and aerodynamics over similar missile systems, as well as lightweight composite components that minimize the radar cross-section of the missile. The terminal stage infrared imager detects the individual by matching its signature with a preloaded database of similar targets, allowing for precision strike. It can also be used to provide image-based mid-course navigation by taking snapshots of waypoints and comparing them against predicted position to update the navigation system. Thus, if GPS capability is denied or degraded, the missile can follow its waypoints using infrared-based terrain updates. The missile includes a two-way data link that makes possible to change the task in flight. The basic design of the missile includes a fuselage designed specifically to fit in the internal weapons bay of the F-35 Lightning II. It is intended to achieve high accuracy in striking military targets like command and control facilities, SAM sites, parked aircraft, and surface ships. Development tests. According to the to-be-tagged SAGE officials, the initial demonstration flights of the prototypes were completely successful. The missile made its first guided flight on 9 August 2011 over the Black Sea, covering more than 100 nautical miles using GPS INS guidance. The missile successfully hit its target with high accuracy. It was planned to assess the design aspects of the missile by conducting about 30 test flights. The delivery of a first batch of missiles to the Turkish Air Force would take place by the end of 2011, following more complicated live firing tests planned for the rest of the year. In 2018, SOM successfully hit its target from a 300-kilometer distance. Range. While initially the range of the missile was announced to be 100 nautical miles, debates arose in local press around the missile's real range after Prime Minister unexpectedly set objectives for the development of a missile with a range of 2,500 kilometers, 1,300 nautical miles, at the plenary state session of the High Science and Technology Council on 28 September 2011. Shortly after, head of the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, TÜBİTAK, informed that they set a task to develop the missile to 2,500 kilometers, 1,300 nautical miles within 2 years. The SOM missile is currently tested for 300 kilometers, 160 nautical mile range, and successfully achieved 33 precision goal, demonstrating around 5 meters, 16-foot accuracy in live fires. We are planning to start 500-kilometer, 270 nautical mile range tests this year. Production. On 26 October 2018, Turkey's Defense Industry Authority announced that the missile entered serial production phase with Roketsan. Variants: SOM A, SOM B1, SOM B2, SOM C1, SOM C2, SOM J. SOM C1, C2, and J variants will feature a data link for the man-in-the-loop, update of a waypoint, and terminal stage of the missile. Foreign partnerships: the F-35 Lightning II. Users: Turkey, Azerbaijan. See also AGM-158 JASOM, the C-802, China, Ra'ad air-launched cruise missile, Hope Hasbo, Germany, Joint Strike Missile, Norway, Taurus, Kep-D 350, Sweden and Germany, Sabre, United Arab Emirates, Storm Shadow, France, United Kingdom, VJ-12 China, YJ-22 China, KH-69 Russia.